Alrighty y'all, what's going on today? So I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Remington Lithium Power electric razor, shaver, face and body grooming thing. Grooming razor, I guess you'd call it. But it actually comes as a little kit, so I'll be talking about the whole kit. And yeah, why I really like this thing. Basically, I needed to get a new razor. I had a cheap Remington one before. If anyone's ever had any experience with the cheap Remington ones, you know that, first of all, they're not really that great. Secondly, they have a power time which is horrible. It lasts maybe 10 minutes, which if you're doing a full body ordeal, or if you're even just shaving and trying to be careful about it, you want to kind of take it slow. You never want to have to race against the clock, and that's what I always felt like with that one. Anyway, eventually it just died, and so I needed to get a new one, so I figured to take a little step up and get a Remington razor that was maybe a little better. So I read some reviews, found this one, and so far it's been awesome. Really, really great. To start off, this thing is 100% waterproof, which is nice. You can take it in the shower. You can take it, yeah, I guess pretty much anywhere. Obviously you're not going to use it submerged, but it is 100% waterproof, so that is, nice. I haven't actually used it in the shower yet, but it's good to know that I can, or that I can just basically leave it out anywhere. It's not going to cause any issues. As for actually using this thing, it's very, very simple, very easy to use. There is one button on the front, which you can see, that is just the power button. Start it up right there. So, if you've ever used a trimmer before, you're going to get the hang of it right away. Just press it and it's on. There aren't any other adjustments, so you can't, adjust for speed or anything like that. I don't know if you can with higher end razors either, but it's just something to know, I guess. It comes with a few different trimmer heads, as you can see right here, so 5 to be exact. These are basically just different sizes for different trim shapes. I don't really ever use these, but I guess if I ever maybe want to be very specific about a trim with my hair maybe, then it'll be nice to have these. As for the actual fit, they do just kind of squeeze on there, just click. Oops, it's really actually difficult to do with one hand. Anyway, yeah. So you have those, and then you have the metal trimmer, which is, it just comes with standard. It's pretty solid. That's what I use most of the time. It doesn't tug or pull at the skin, which is nice. I've definitely had razors in the past that, I feel like are tugging at my hairs and it kind of hurts to shave a little bit, and so that's kind of a burn. And then I have it has this body shaver as well. As you can see, this has kind of a rounded edge to it, very smooth rounded edge. And then you have the spikes right up top. This is very, very smooth in the skin. It doesn't pull, doesn't leave any marks or anything, just like this one. And that can be put on there by simply releasing this one off the top and then sticking that on. So it's very, very simple, kind of customizable. Boom, it works. And that one's even feels more powerful, like it vibrates more. Yeah, no red marks or anything like that. Which is nice. It's a comfortable, very, very comfortable and smooth shape, which you want, As for the actual build of the thing, it's very, very portable, very lightweight. Very lightweight. Easy to stow away in a little toiletry bag if you're going on vacation or something like that. It also has a really nice rubber grip around the edges, so it makes it very comfortable to hold. It's non-slip, nice. You're gonna, be able to kind of, use it and have like a comfortable sort of grip the entire time. These heads are made out of a plastic, very lightweight plastic as well. So if you are taking these around, it's not gonna be heavy or anything for you. So that's good. And I don't know about these. I mean, I know it is waterproof, so I don't know if I haven't seen any rust or anything on them yet. I'm sure I won't for a long time, even if I do. But they look pretty clean as well. The best thing I love about this, I love about this the most, is the charge on it. First of all, it came charged right out of the box, so I could use it right away when I got it, which is cool. But I actually haven't had to plug it in yet. I've had it for a week. I think it does do like up to 70 minutes runtime. And you can either do a quick charge with one of the plugs or a regular charge. Quick charge is about like 5–10 minutes, while the regular charge is 4 hours. I think it's better to do the regular charges more often because you don't kill your battery. But this is what I've loved about it. I mean, the other Remington razor that I had, the cheaper one, again, it died after like 10 minutes of use, so having a really long battery time is great. Yeah, overall, I would highly recommend this if you're looking for a new electric razor for your face, body, whatever it is for. Again, it's the Remington Lithium Power Razor, Wet Tech, W-E-T-E-C-H. Yeah, check it out. Alrighty guys, take it easy.